Good morning students, it's your English class and today we will learn the sound of CH and SH. Then we start from the sound of CH. CH in Hindi we spoke like ch sound, word. This is CH means ch. First of all, CHAIN, chain. CHESS, chess. LUNCH, lunch. Here, look here. These are CH sound words. CH. So you will speak like that. CH means ch sound. Bunch. Ch. CHAIR, chair. So you will revise the words. You will read the word. After that, sound of SH. So SH sound means sh words. In Hindi, it's sh. To start, FISH, fish. Sh sound words. DISH, dish. BUSH, bush. SHEEP, sheep. BRUSH, brush. Okay, look here, these are CH sound words and these are SH sound words. So in some words CH is in the starting form, starting में है CH और कुछ words में CH sound last में आता है. इसी तरह से SH sound कुछ जगह SH last में आता है और कुछ जगह पर SH sound starting में आता है. तो you will read the words carefully and you will recognize the sound of CH and SH. Okay children, bye bye.